Hello friends, today I am going to discuss NRGA project analysis using BI. The NREGA project is National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, a transformative government scheme aimed at providing rural households with guaranteed wage employment opportunities. The dataset used for this analysis encompasses a wide range of parameters, including the number of job cards issued, the workforce engaged, budget allocation work, completion statistics, and much more. Through the application of data analytics techniques, we aim to gain valuable insights into the implementation and impact of NREGA across different states and districts in India. The problem statement is NREGA is a vital initiative to alleviate rural unemployment and poverty. This project seeks to address several key questions and challenges associated with NREGA. How effective is NREGA in providing employment opportunities to rural households? Are these regional disparities in the implementation and outcomes of the scheme? What is the utilization of the allocated budget and how does it correlate with employment generation? What are the key factors contributing to the completion of NREGA works and are there any roadblocks to its success? Can data-driven insights guide policymakers and administrators in optimizing the scheme's impact? This is the dataset information. Here we are having related to NREGA implementation. We are having 28 columns. Call it as variables. Variable description is state name, district name, total number of job cards issued, total number of workers, total number of active jobs cards, total number of active workers, SC workers against active workers, ST workers against active workers, approved labor budget, SC percentage, ST percentage, women percentage, average days of employment provided per household, average wage rate per day per person, total number of wages completed, 100 days of wage employment, total households work, total individuals work, average days of employment provided per household, average wage rate per day per person, total number of wages completed, 100 days of wage employment, total households work, total individuals work, differently able persons work, number of GPs with nil experience, total number of works taken up, number of ongoing works, percentage of NRM expenditure, percentage of category B works, percentage of expenditure on agriculture and agricultural works, total experience, wages, material and skilled wages, total administrative expenditures in lakhs. These are the variables we are having. The scope of this project is data pre-processing, data cleaning, exploratory data analysis to identify patterns and trends, utilizing data visualization techniques to represent key findings effectively. Here we are using data analyzing tool is Power BI. Some of the advantages of Power BI are easy to use, time season models, integration, utilizing numerous data sources, integration of Excel without comparison, continuous updates, cost efficiency, the capability of available current AI systems, additional features for other Microsoft applications. This is the dataset we are having. You are implementing project using Power BI. This is the dashboard developed using this dataset. I'll explain each and every part here. We are having number of states here, and this is the sum of differentially able person, sum of wages in lakhs, average wages in lakhs, sum of ST. This is these are the analysis we are having. I will tell in deeply. This is the insights of that NREGA analysis. This is the average wage rate per person. per day per person. These are the districts, different districts we are having. This is the ST workers against active workers and average days of employment provided at household. Average of total number of households completed 100 days of wage employment for every state. This is the workers against active workers for different states. Total number of job cards issued and total number of workers. This is a correlation between job cards issued and number of workers. This is the total number of job cards issued. ST workers against active workers for different districts. Total number of job cards issued and average days of employment. Average of total number of households completed 100 days of wage employment for different districts. Total number of job cards issued for different states. Total number of job cards issued and average days of employment. Total number of households completed 100 days of wage completed. ST workers against active workers. Average wage per day. This is the average of total number of households completed wage employment. ST workers against active workers for different states. Correlation between total number of job cards issued this is the average wage per day per person for different states. Total number of job cards issued and ST workers against active workers in different states. The total number of households completed. This is the total number of job cards issued per number of GPs with nil experience. All these are analytics insights of that NREGA project. ST workers against active workers. Total number of households completed. This is ST workers against active workers. ST workers against active workers. Number of job cards issued and ST workers against active workers. Total number of job cards issued. All these are different districts. Total number of average of total number of households completed. These are the number of job cards issued. All these are insights of this project. This is the average age per person for each and every district. Wage per day per person. District. All these are the analysis I have done. Everything I have explained. This is the conclusion. West Bengal had the highest sum of total number of active workers and was this higher than Vili in DD, which had the lowest sum of total number of active workers. West Bengal accounted for 10.50% of sum of total number of active workers across all 34 states. Sum of total number of active workers ranged from 2 to this. Sum of approved labor budget and total sum of women work personal days are positively correlated with each other. Thank you.